Air horn prank. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so sorry!
Air horn prank. Step 1. Lift your back seat up. Step 2. Put the air horn like far back. Step 3. Lower the seat. Now we're heading over to pick up a friend.
What's up, boy?
Babe! Oh my god, bro, you almost gave me a heart attack. What the fuck?
I need to see, probably put something in wrong or something. What the fuck?
Okay, there's 254, 5 12. Alright,
I hate you. That hurt right here.
made my fucking head hurt.
Good morning!
Babe, so you know how I went to the store earlier? Well, the guy behind me thought I cut him off. Guess what he did?
What?
Oh my
So, when do you want to leave for Target, babe? Oh my god!
Did you get that, John?
It's got a foghorn or something here.
Do I have a what?
What the heck was that?
Oh, it was an air horn.
Give my shit back, bro. Give my shit back. Come on. No, that's not a toy. It's not a toy. It's a fucking weapon. Give it to me. God damn, bro. It just scares me. Stop. What is wrong with you?
What was that for?
Come on. Let's freaking go. Shit! Oh my god! Haley! Are you serious? Oh no.
I swear you have autism! This is why mom doesn't love you! TikTok is better than Vine. Babe, so you know how I went to the store earlier? Well, the guy behind me thought I cut him off. Guess what he did?
What?
Oh my god!
Yeah.
Are you trying to kill me? That was mental.
Mom! You want Philip? Can you? Because I'm trying to make some cereal.
It's early, I'm drinking my tea. It's hot.
Did you get? Is this one yours or Dev's?
Oh no, ain't none of that. You know, Deb.
Okay, but they keep pissing on the turf. I mean, on the
Hey, I
cement.
get that, but I need your help. I need you to grab something from the cabinet, please. Oh my god!
Stop!